Got a 3101 here that I've replaced a laser on a couple days ago. I ordered a laser refurb from PTS. This first cover comes up. These two screws right here come out. The cover goes all the way back vertical so that you have access to that. These two wires right here come off for this first unit right here. This gold nut right here comes off along with the gold nut here, and this whole unit will then come straight up. You have to make sure that you get when you put it back, there's a notch and a bolt that comes out there that this thing lines up on. When you put it back, you got to make sure that that is lined up. The next thing is these two screws right here come out, along with these four screws, one here, one there, one here, and then here. Also this plate here comes off, this cover plate here, and there's 6 cables under here that need to be released. And then to pull this whole unit out, you can do it by yourself. I recommend you get help, but if you do it by yourself, you grab back here and up front here, you lift it up and set it right onto the processor there. If you put yourself right up against the processor here, you can get some leverage. Also, when you pull this one out, if you grab the motor right back here, that gives you a little bit of leverage. That one's not too bad. After that, you need to unscrew these Allen screws here and here. And then there's some that are straight down in here also, right there. And there's another one on the other side, straight down in there. That releases the laser from this unit here. This exposure plate, this little slot, this thing comes straight up. You just unhook that and lift it straight up. Then there's 8 13 millimeter nuts. 4 of them have a grounding strap on them. These plates right here came with the machine. They're a real pain to kind of work around, but PTS told me that I could leave them off, and it seems to be working fine left off. To get it out, and a 7 millimeter socket with a real long extension will give you access to get these things out of the way. So these 13 millimeter nuts come out here, here, right here, and then this last one right here comes all the way out, and then you thread it back on one thread so that you can lift this plate up and set it on top of this post right here, and that gives you access to pull the laser out in kind of a curved fashion, so you don't have to remove this whole this piece here. As far as cabling goes underneath, this door comes open, and there's a cable here that comes out, another one here. There's a black cable under here with a grounding strap on it. Those all go to the laser. Back here there are 3 BNC connectors. They're like a bayonet type mount that go to the 3 AOMs there. And then on this side there are 2 driver boards that have ribbon cables that come off that go to the laser. These cables right up front here get routed up to the laser, along with this cable here that's connected up on top here. Best to put the cables underneath this handle right here. You can see under there, there's an actual handle, and tape it to the top of the laser before you pull it out so you don't get any cables hung up. When you're putting the laser back in, you need to align this bottom plate here that was tilted up and sitting on those posts with the laser. When you're taking this laser out and putting it in, this front exposure plate needs to come out also, otherwise you can't get it in there. And then there's an alignment hole right here, and the posts for those are right back here. They unscrew, and you just slide those alignment posts in, and you have to make sure that they come and go all the way down and bottom out. You have to wiggle them around to try to get them to line up, and that lines the laser up with this unit below it, and then you can start to tighten up these Allen screws here and then down inside, and then all of your 13mm nuts. When you get the laser back in there, you need to run some test strips that they walk me through. You can go to laserrepair.info to get the daily code to get into service mode to run this test strip here. And that's about it.